PartnerStack makes it easy to manage, scale, and grow your revenue through partnerships. We do this by providing partners a reliable, single source of truth that the PartnerStack network trusts for reliability and ease of use. The PartnerStack channel experience allows channel professionals to automate the day-to-day channel operations so you can focus on growing your relationships with new and existing partners. Having trouble tracking down a partner's information, performance, or pipeline across spreadsheets, CRMs, and emails? PartnerStack gives your channel a single source of truth for a partner's entire relationship with your program. Sales activity, links, and messages are all easily accessible. Utilize tags, filters, and search functionality to easily find partners even with a program of thousands. Unlike other partnership tools that limit your programs to a single channel, PartnerStack powers multiple channel types under a single account. Whether you're looking to capture customer referrals, leads from marketing partners, or track reseller pipeline, PartnerStack's link tracking and pipeline toolkits make it easy to provide your partners transparency and confidence in your relationship. A part of this confidence comes from the flexibility of the PartnerStack integration engine that makes it simple to set up and maintain a sync between your partner's sales activities and your CRM data, avoiding frustrating channel conflict. As your channel scales, maintaining a welcoming and lively partnership experience becomes a challenge. PartnerStack takes a load off your shoulders by allowing you to onboard, engage, and train partners for success without adding costly resources to your partner management team. Easily congratulate your partners for reaching program milestones with our powerful trigger-based emails and communications within PartnerStack. Stop wasting your days sending the same sales collateral and LMS invite emails to each of your partners individually. PartnerStack puts your partner enablement on autopilot, allowing your partners to self-serve resources, create their own co-branded materials, and take training course and certifications at their own pace within their portal. Looking to inspire partners to promote a newly launched product or offer a new incentive just before the end of the quarter? Set up monthly challenges allowing partners to earn more by helping you hit your revenue goals. The best part? Your partners will love it. PartnerStack has been built with the partner experience in mind, which means you'll have happy and engaged partners that are excited to help you hit your revenue goals. A growing partnerships channel can sometimes be as intimidating as it is exciting. With scale comes larger volumes of revenue, commissions, and numbers of active partners. It can be almost impossible to manually ensure that partners are not only being paid correctly, but also that their activity has your best interest in mind. When it comes to commission accuracy and fraud mitigation, PartnerStack wants you to sleep easy at night knowing your commissions are accurate and bad actors are kept out of your program. Because PartnerStack is integrated with your core business tools, our commission engine can use real-time source data to generate the right commission for the right partner at the right time. The PartnerStack experience strikes the perfect balance of giving your partners the real-time earning feedback by allowing your finance and partnerships team a friendly interface to review commissions before they are paid to partners. Even before commissions are generated, PartnerStack's fraud suite powered by Sift is working in the background, reviewing partner sales activity and network behavior to flag high-risk individuals for your review. Unlike partnership portals of the past, launching a program on PartnerStack is not an isolated experience. Most partners are promoting multiple solutions and are always looking for new revenue opportunities or new solutions they can bring to their client base. By using PartnerStack, your program accesses the massive network of partners on PartnerStack. Some of our top programs have found a 30% revenue boost to their channel revenue, all driven by marketplace partners. If you're looking to build new partner relationships, scale your channel without increasing resources, and giving your partners a best-in-class partner experience, PartnerStack is a great home for your current and next channel program.